What you just saw was an overtake maneuver during a race. A slipstream overtake maneuver is very exciting and it gives you that confidence in a race, and then you can probably win that race as well. But it's not easy as it looks. I'm going to teach you some of the techniques that how to do an overtake in a race by using the slipstream method. My name is Vikrant from Top Gun India Riding Academy, and if you haven't subscribed us, do subscribe now, like us and hit that notification button. So in this episode, we're going to learn about slipstream overtake. During a race, there will be an opportunity where you can pass the rider in the front by using a slipstream overtake. At times you feel that you are fast in a corner, but the rider in the front, he's blocking your path. So at those times, you hold yourself, know that there is a straight coming. So reserve your strategy to overtake the rider in front on the straight. And slipstream overtake are very effective during such situations. What we'll do is we'll use this MotoGp game with us, get into a race scenario, and I will show you how to do a slipstream overtake on a straight. So we'll start the race and then we'll get into a situation where the rider is in front of me. So I start the race. So now you feel that there is a rider who's a little slower with you in the corner, but you can't overtake him in the corner. So strategize yourself. You know that you are fast, so wait for the straight that is approaching. You can use the slipstream technique and then overtake the rider in front of you. When you exit of the corner, you will find that he is closer to you and in the front. Now give throttle, give full power, be behind him. What is the slipstream effect? The slipstream effect is that the rider in the front, since he is in front of you, he is cutting the air first hand. Now when he cuts the air, there is no air for you to create a drag effect. You actually take advantage of this. Because there is no air resisting your movement, you gain a certain extra speed. By using this extra speed, you overtake the rider in the front. So you get behind him, tuck in good, be right behind him, and just when you feel that there is a distance of a bike length, so you visualize yourself and the rider in the front, and that there is a bike length difference between the rider in the front and yourself. This is the time you break away from the slipstream, choose your direction of going, preferably it could be a right if there is a right-hander corner. So choose that direction, go on to the right path, overtake him, and of course then take a defending line. Now you have to remember that there will be a corner that is approaching. It could be the left or right hand, and you have to defend that corner. You cannot allow that rider that you overtook go again past you. So defend your line, let him be at the back, take that corner, and then keep going in the front. So this is a strategy. It's a very good strategy to overtake the rider in the front, but make sure that you defend your position again. Now, like I said, you know that you are fast in the corners, but I would say do not try and overtake in the corner if there are more laps remaining. Strategize. If there is few laps remaining, then yes, you can overtake him in the corner. But if there are more laps to go, then do not jeopardize your position inside the corner. Be with him, be with the rider in the front, inside the corner. As soon as the straight is approaching, use the slipstream method. It's a very effective way to overtake the rider in the front. So guys, if you have liked this video, please subscribe to us. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Instagram, do follow us. If you need more riding techniques, you can drop in your questions on our website that is mentioned below, or you can send a direct message on our phone numbers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again. Bye-bye.